Hey guys, I wanted to take a few minutes to show you the progress that the challenge yard has made and how much it's overcoming with dealing with drought and everything else and not being able to have all the inputs and outputs. As you can see in these videos, this was like the beginning of April, and now we're farther along in May. We've gotten a lot of the weeds out of it with some quick and simple weed treatments with some ortho weed be gone. Got the weeds knocked out, got some fertilizer on it. You can see now we've been getting it some water, even though it's still kind of burned up, and we got a little bit of nut grass in there. But I mean, just look at the difference that we're making on this yard. By the end of summer, I think it's going to look amazing. Hopefully, we can continue to battle the drought. Here in just a minute, we're going to show you what it looks like with a fresh mow on it. Hopefully, we'll get some water soon. It looks like we're going to be getting some more rain in the forecast, and that will definitely help a ton. So make sure you follow along for more so that we can show you how we're going to get this thing filled in and look amazing. If we can do it with this yard, you can do it with yours. Thanks. Bye.